You might be wondering why I look like this. Stick around. If you want to know how to make a snow angel, watch this video. Can't remember the last time I saw my breath.
I think it was yesterday.
Oh yeah.
I think it was yesterday.
Oh, this feels good. Hey, the proper way to make a snow angel. I have not done this 30 years, 35 years, but I can't help it. You know, look at this. Usually though, I would just drop straight back, but there's only, what, 3 inches of snow here? Okay, here we go. Can't believe I did that without any gloves on.
Oh God.
Does it look like an angel? Look, look.
It does.
Here, go over there and show it. That looks exactly like an angel. Look, here's the head, right there. Oh, isn't that cool? This is pretty dry snow. My hands are freezing though. I gotta warm myself up.
Okay.
That one's upside down. You have to see it the right side up, right? This way. Here it is. Your snow angel.
You're nuts. You gotta be freezing. Your hands gotta hurt.
I feel invigorated. Thank you. That's how to make a snow angel. Hey, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.